I'm grateful for the way you've been a friend to me. Sing, oh, oh, and even in the deepest, darkest night, you help me see. Sing it out now. Oh, I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I just wanna say thank you for the way you love me. I wanna say thank you, just wanna say thank you. I owe you 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 thank you. I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class, it brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us. And every day is different cause we're learning more and more about life. La 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, I love my teacher.